Welcome to the first part of my Japan travel guide series. In this part, I'll be exploring the world's largest metropolitan city, Tokyo. If you are planning a trip to Japan, then I'm sure that its bustling capital city is definitely on your list.
So let's start by talking about accommodation. When you're looking for hotels, you can search in the neighborhood of Shinjuku, Shibuya, or Asakusa. All these three areas are very well connected to all the major tourist spots in Tokyo. Also, whenever you're looking for a hotel, try to find something that is nearby to any train station, as you will be relying heavily on public transportation when you are exploring Tokyo.
Tokyo is known for its compact hotel rooms and honestly for how expensive they can get. But we found a really good stay at Asakusa View Hotel. The room was surprisingly spacious by Tokyo standards, the bathroom was comfortable and well designed, and the best part, we had a clear Tokyo skytree view right from our window. Priced at 20,000 per night, it actually felt like a great value for money, considering that it was at a walkable distance to the Asakusa station and major spots in Asakusa like Don Quixote, Sensoji, and Nakamise Street.
The check-in time in Japan for most of the hotels is going to be 2 to 3 pm, but we were able to get an early check-in for a fee of around 6,000 yen, which is actually very worth it if you have taken a long flight. And they also offered us free tickets for geisha performance that was happening at one of their hotels.
If you are okay with a compact hotel but at a lower price, then you can also check out the Tose Hotel Kokone Asakusa. I really liked their amenities and their lobby area, which offered free mangas to read and also gave us a complimentary coffee machine.
In Shinjuku, you can look at Hotel Amanek. It was right at the heart of the main Shinjuku market, and the best part was it was just 5 minutes walk away from the Shinjuku station. The hotel also offered us free wine, and in their complimentary drinks, I think one thing you should definitely try if you're listening is their plum wine. It's really good. Also, they offered really cute water bottles as a souvenir to take away from their hotel. Coming to transportation. As soon as you land in Japan, one thing you should definitely get is a welcome Suica card. It is made specially for tourists and is valid for 28 days. You can recharge it at any of the IC recharge machines, and you can get it from any of the JR stations.
We got ours from the JR Shinjuku station. You will need your passport to get these cards.
So if you're planning to explore multiple neighborhoods of Tokyo, I would actually recommend getting the Tokyo Subway Pass. It is available in either 24-hour, 48-hour or 72-hour format. You can book it from Klook and exchange it for a physical ticket. This pass is valid on all the Tokyo Metro and Toei subway lines, and it will offer connectivity to almost every corner of Tokyo. Getting this pass would really be a very good cost saver for you. Using both the Suica card and this Tokyo subway ticket is very easy. For the IC card, which is the Suica card, you can just tap it on any IC reader when you are crossing. And when you are using the Tokyo subway ticket, you will have to insert it into the machine and you can collect it from the other side. Tokyo has many neighborhoods and each has a completely different vibe. And here are some of the neighborhoods you should definitely explore.
Asakusa is one of the oldest neighborhoods in Tokyo. Take a stroll on the Nakamise Street to reach the Sensoji Temple. It is the oldest Buddhist temple in Tokyo. Then go to the Asakusa station and take the Asakusa line to the Skytree or Oshiage station. Visit Tokyo Skytree. It is the tallest structure in Japan, standing at 634 meters. You can spot it from many parts of eastern Tokyo, especially Asakusa. Shinjuku, home to the busiest railway station in the world. This station has more than 200 exits, which is why getting lost here is basically a Tokyo rite of passage. You can start by visiting the giant Godzilla head and then make your way to Tokyo's most viral street spot, the 3D billboard of the Shinjuku cat. You can visit the Suica shrine if you are a fan of the movie Kimi no Na wa. It has the iconic stairs which are shown at the end of that movie. Next, you can head to the Shinjuku Gyoen National Garden.
Visiting this garden during autumn is a great idea because it is so beautiful with all the colorful leaves around.
In Shibuya, you can start with the Shibuya Scramble Crossing, which is the busiest pedestrian crossing in the world. Then head to Shibuya Sky for a 360-degree open-air observation deck. Make sure to book your tickets 2 weeks in advance, as the tickets for the sunset slot and the evening slots tend to get sold out very fast.
If you are planning your trip in November or December, then you should definitely check out Roppongi Hills illumination. The street is lined up with white lights and you can see the Tokyo Tower in the frame in the middle. And of course, no trip to Japan is complete without visiting the iconic Tokyo Tower. Whenever someone thinks of Tokyo, the picture of Tokyo Tower immediately comes to the mind. And it looks at its most beautiful if you're visiting it during the evening. You can also reserve one full day if you are into amusement parks, and you can go to Tokyo Disney Sea. It is one and only Disney Sea in the whole world and is definitely worth a visit if you have that type of time. Other than these neighborhoods, you can also check out Ginza or the area near Tokyo Station for shopping. It has some really good market. And you can go to Akihabara if you are an anime fan or want to check out arcade games. That is it for this video, and if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next part.